You have probably seen videos on YouTube where different topics are explained in a simple way. These are called explainer style of videos. Many creators using this styles and pulling millions of views. For an example, this video has over 14 million views, and assuming a $4 of RPM, it has probably made around $50,000. Now, you might thinking this style is outdated or no longer works, but look at this. A channel with just 16 videos has already gained 14,000 subscribers, and every single upload pulls in hundreds of thousands of views. And the best part, making this kind of video is much easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create them even if you're a beginner. But first, let me show you a few more example channels so you can see how easily it is grow using this style. This channel explains complex tech topics and gained over 124,000 subscribers with just 19 videos. This channel talks about guns and weapons. This focus on esports, another focus on animals, this one talks about businesses, and this one covers the Marvel universe. Here's the shocking part, if you pause and look closely, the views on their videos are insane, especially considering how few videos some of these channels have uploaded. So by now you can see the massive potential of the explainer style videos, but the real question is, how do you actually find the right niche to start your own channel? Now let's see what you will learn in this video. I'll show you how to come with the video ideas, generate scripts, collect visual, create voiceover, design thumbnails, and finally edit the video. And the best part, you don't need to spend any money to do this. Let's start this video, and I have added all the prompts you need in this document, which you can find in the video description. Now all you need to do is just copy the idea generation prompt from the document and paste it into the ChatGPT. Once you press enter, ChatGPT will generate a lot of video ideas across different niches. You can choose any niche from the list and start making videos for your own channel. If you don't like the ideas, you can simply ask ChatGPT for more niches and it will generate new sets of ideas for you. For example, if you like the idea every type of camera explained, you can start a photography channel and make videos like every camera lens explained or every image format explained. Or if you like the idea every type of hat explained, you can go into the fashion niche, create videos like every type of sneaker explained or every type of jacket explained. I'm just showing you that there are many ideas you can make in this kind of videos. For this video, I personally found the food and drink niche very interesting. My video idea is every country's tea explained. I think it has strong viral potential as I found a video on YouTube related to tea by country, and it had a good number of views, which confirmed that people are already interested in this topic. Now let's turn your idea into a video script. Open the document, copy the script generation prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. In the idea field, type or paste your video idea and press enter. You will get a full explainer style of script. If you want a longer video, just ask it to expand the script or you can use it as it is. Now we need to collect visual for our script. For this video, I am using a small part of the script to show you the process. Read each line and search the visual that match it. For an example, if the first line mentioned Chinese tea, search for an image or a video of Chinese tea and download it. You can also search YouTube for relatable clips or use free stock sites like Pixels or find images and videos that match your content. Download all the assets according to what each line of the script requires. For voice generation, you can use tools like 11 Labs or Google AI Studio. Choose any middle-aged male voice with a storytelling style. I am not suggesting a specific voice so your channel does not sound the same as everyone else. Picking or creating your own voice helps your channel feel more unique. And before editing, we need to generate our video thumbnail. In this kind of video, you don't need any specific software for this. Open the document, copy the thumbnail prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, you will need to give it two things. First, the number of items or things explained in the video script. For an example, I will type 10. Second, the names of the items or things mentioned in your script. For my video about countries tea, I write tea followed by all the countries' names in the correct order from the script. Once both fields are filled, press enter, your thumbnail will generate it, and sometimes ChatGPT may include unwanted items like kettle or plates. That's normal. Just tell it to remove anything unnecessary, press enter again and your thumbnail will be ready. save it as you will need it for editing. Here's another explain to make it easier. Let's say you are generating a thumbnail for every topic of seafood explain. Write all the seafood's name from your script and put seafood before them. In the first field, type the name of items you listen, for example, 8, and press enter. Boom, your thumbnail is ready. If you want a vector style thumbnail like some popular explainer channels, simply type a simple small prompt like this. When you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate a clean vector style version. Finally download it and fit it into a 16:9 frame ratio in any editing app. That's it. Now let's start the video editing part. I'm using Premiere Pro. You can also use CapCut or any other software. The process is basically the same. In any program, first create a new sequence for your YouTube video. I named mine T Explain. Create a separated folder for each country to keep all your assets organized. Then add all the China assets into the China folder so everything is easy to find when you start editing. Import your voiceover and place it in on the timeline. Create a white background layer and extend it to cover the entire voiceover. Now import the thumbnail we generated earlier using ChatGPT and fit it perfectly into the frame. To add a zoom in animation for China, go to the effect panel and search for the transform effect. Then add it to the thumbnail image. Move 2 frames forward using the right arrow key. Then click the position and scale stopwatch icons to add starting keyframes. Okay, move 20 frames forward using shift plus right arrow, and then adjust the position and scale so the China T part comes to the center. Okay, let's watch it.
China. Chinese tea is the foundation of global tea culture and the birthplace of nearly every major tea type. Green, black, white, oolong, and pu'er all trace back here, shaped by region, climate, and processing style. Tea in China is less about routine and more about craftsmanship, often prepared slowly and shared as a social and cultural act.
Like all the editing is such a simple like that. You just need to add the relatable images into the voiceover and that's it. No fancy effect, no captions and like this kind of things. If you want, you can add some text to explain the topics, to explain the things like cup and like the plate, like everything. Okay, so that's it. This is not too much difficult, and after all of this, just export your video, then upload this video at least 3 to 4 times in a week. Using the same format, you can make this kind of videos under 1 hour and make such a good amount of money from it. Okay, so that's it. This is our whole video for now, and let's see you in the next video.